Okay, so here we are with a burner that does not do the small ones. You can see the ones below are not lighting up. When I do it low, that guy tries to light because I think it's supposed to be. So that one does not work. When you look at the other one, see those lower burners are still going. So that's what we're going to try to fix here today. Okay, so all you got to do is just take this guy off. The piece here. Put that to the side. And I think what we got is just that guy that's clogged. So we're going to check that one out. Because the main burner is right there and it feeds in through everything. So pull it out and see what it looks like. Okay, so I pulled this guy out. I don't know if you can see. So that's the one that I've pulled out. And it looks like that is like just a solid piece. If you look at the one that's good, that still works, you can almost see that hole right in the center there. So I think what we got is just this guy has got to get cleaned out. So he came right out of there. I'll clean this guy out, probably with some soapy water and an old toothbrush, and we'll see if it works. So I'm just taking this scrub brush and actually just putting it up right inside, just a bristle or two. You can see it comes through here. A couple times. Let's see what that looks like now. Look, now you can see the hole. Alright, so we'll put this back together. See if that clears it out. Okay, so I didn't show you how I pulled this out, but I'll show you how I put it back in. So what you do is just get that guy right there. And this is just a, what do we got here? 9/32. As long as it starts threading nicely to start with, you shouldn't have to worry about it cross threading, so let's just make sure that's in there the right way. Tell you what. There we go. You can feel it kind of going easy. Starts grabbing initially, you know you got it in the wrong way, a little angle. So, got that in finger tight there. And all we'll do is just give it, doesn't need to be much because it's brass. Just good and tight. Do a little check here. Okay, let's go to go. Hear it singing. Oh, now you can see they're going. So that was it. It was just that low one. Might have to open that up a little bit just because it's still making that noise, but I think we're good actually. So it's not clicking anymore. It's down to low. Good to go. So if your low one isn't going and it's clicking, just check the little orifice on that secondary brass fitting and you're good to go. Alright, bye.